हेलो बच्चों। देखिए, ये एक प्रॉब्लम है। इसमें एक कार कार है विच इज एक्सेलरेटिंग horizontally with acceleration a, and a bob is hanged using a string which passes over a pulley attached to the car, and the string ends up in the hand of a man who is pulling the string downward with acceleration a, and we have to find the tension in the string. So एक बात आपको पता होगी कि जब एक कार हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में एक्सीलरेट कर रही होती है तो स्ट्रिंग वर्टिकल से एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल पे आ जाती है। दैट एंगल इज गिवन बाय tan इनवर्स a by g. So therefore string will remain at this particular angle, and since man is pulling the string with acceleration a downward, this bob will also move with acceleration a along the string. अब इसमें एक बात समझने वाली है कि ये जो एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द बॉब होगा या एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग होगा वो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मैन दिया होगा, है ना। So acceleration of string is a with respect to man. Similarly, acceleration of this bob will also be a, but that is also with respect to man. But man is standing inside a car which is accelerating. So therefore, the frame of reference of man is a non-inertial frame. So we must apply a pseudo force. So solving this problem from the frame of reference of man, we will apply a pseudo force on the bob in the left direction and its weight mg in downward direction and tension T. Now this MA and MG, their resultant will be given by Pythagoras theorem because they are at 90 degree. So the resultant will be under root MA square plus MG whole square. So this is the resultant, and this will exactly be in opposite direction of tension. Because we know that net force on the bob in this frame is along the string. So therefore net force should also be along the string. So this T will provide the net force after cancelling out this resultant force of MA and MG. So obviously T will be greater than this resultant force. So by using Newton's second law, we can write net force equal to mass into acceleration. Therefore T minus this term will be m under root a square plus g square. So net force is T minus m under root a square plus g square, that is equal to mass into acceleration. So from here we can get T equal to this expression. So this is the correct answer. So इसमें ये बात समझना है बच्चों कि जो स्ट्रिंग का टेंशन होगा, जो स्ट्रिंग का ओरिएंटेशन होगा वो ऐसे होगा कि वो नेट फोर्स जो लग रहा होगा एम ए और एम जी का जो रिजल्टेंट फोर्स लग रहा होगा उसके एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट में होगा। और जब इक्विलिब्रियम होता है तो यही कंडीशन आ जाती है कि द थीटा विल बी tan इनवर्स a by g. Now in this case also theta will be same, that is tan inverse a by g. But man is pulling the string downward, so this mass will move along the string with acceleration a. Hence T must be greater than this resultant of pseudo force and mg. So by applying Newton's second law, net force equal to mass into acceleration, you can get tension. So I hope आपको ये प्रॉब्लम समझ में आया होगा। आपके मन में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो जो आप चाहते हैं कि मैं डिस्कस करूं, उसको कमेंट में लिख सकते हैं। थैंक यू।